Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in this video you are going to learn how to promote your packers and movers business on WhatsApp using Facebook ads, right? So the idea here is, suppose that you are running the business of packers and movers who transport the stuff of people from one place to another, right? So you have created a Facebook page to promote your business and connect with your audience and customers. And on that page you are running Facebook lead ads. So whenever any interested person click on those ads, a Facebook lead ad form will open up. And when the person fills that form, you are going to generate or receive a lead from Facebook lead ads, right? So you want to share with that lead the package and the business details on their WhatsApp accounts, right? So you want to share the package details and the offers you provide on their WhatsApp account, and to do that you have two ways. One is that whenever a new lead gets generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, you are going to manually sort out the details of the customer or the person who have filled that form. Then you will come to WhatsApp and manually type and compile a message for that person and attach your details of your packages and quotation here on WhatsApp and send to him or her, right? But guys, this manual process can consume a lot of your time if you're receiving hundreds of leads on daily basis. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when you receive a new lead from Facebook lead ad, a WhatsApp message get automatically delivered to the person who have filled that lead ad form along with your packages and offers, right? Yes guys, this can happen, and to make this happen I am using a software here called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software, and what it will do, it will connect these two applications together such that whenever you receive a new lead, a WhatsApp message get automatically delivered to the lead along with your packages and business details. So, and the best part of making this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge to make this automation. So any non-technical person can also do this. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection or automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp is going to work in real time. So guys, this is a Facebook page I have created to promote my business, and the name of the page is Packers and Movers. So we have the business of transportation. For that we have created this Facebook page, and here I am running Facebook lead ads, okay? And in those lead ads we have attached a lead ad form. So you can see this is the page and this is the form that is attached with the lead ad, okay? So whenever someone fills this lead ad form, we are going to deliver him or her on the WhatsApp account the brochure and the package details of our business here, right? So let me show you. I will open this form here. So this is a kind of lead ad form we have, and whenever someone fills this form, he is going to receive a brochure of our business here on the WhatsApp account. So let me show you. I am filling the details as Karan Singh, and let me fill the number. So I have filled the phone number also. Now I am clicking on next, and now I'm submitting this form. So you can see it is saying thanks, you are all set. Okay, so we have generated a new lead. As you can see, a new test lead has been sent. Okay, so now we will check in WhatsApp account that the WhatsApp account of Karan Singh, this one, receives the message with the brochure and the details of our business or not. So Facebook lead ad use polling techniques to send the data. So it might take 3 to 4 minutes to reach the WhatsApp message here. So we'll wait for 3 to 4 minutes and check if this WhatsApp account receives any message. So you can see we have received a new message here in WhatsApp. Let's check what is in the message. Okay, so the message is this. It is saying, hello Karan Singh, thank you for showing your interest in AJ Packers and Movers. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our transportation service business. Okay, and here is the link of the brochure attached. Let me open this also for you. So you can see the brochure of the transportation and the packers and movers is attached here like this. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time. Okay. So now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here without any manual compilation or typing of this message or creating this link, just by filling this lead ad form here. This form, this person receives a WhatsApp message here with all these details. Okay, so let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation or connection between your Facebook lead ad and WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between Facebook lead ad and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ad. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our Facebook lead ad with Pabbly Connect. Step 2 is collect the data from Facebook lead ad form in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll generate a new lead by filling the lead ad form and collect the data of that lead here in Pabbly Connect. Step 3 is send the brochure to lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So finally, we are going to send the brochure of our packers and movers business on the WhatsApp account of the person whose data we have collected here. And to do this, we are going to use another application which is called 360 dialog. So I will tell you what 360 dialog is later on in this video. First of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So in your internet browser, type here Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, put your cursor on this products icon and then click on connect. Okay, now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. So I have already made one free account, so I'm going to click on sign in directly. Okay, so this is the all apps section of Pabbly. From here you have to put your cursor on this Pabbly Connect panel and click on access now. So this will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So to start working here, you have to create workflows like this. Okay, so to create a workflow, you just have to click here on create workflow button. And here you have to enter a relevant name to your workflow. So let me give the name. So I have filled the name as Packers and Movers Brochure to Facebook Leads on WhatsApp, right? Now click on create here. Okay, so your workflow is created, and when your workflow get created, you will see these two options, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect please do this. Okay, so first of all you have to click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app, choose your application as Facebook lead ads. Okay, after that click on this trigger event and select new lead option, then click on connect button, and from this window choose this add new connection option, then click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay, so you can see the authorization is successful and start showing connected. That means our first step is completed. We are connected with Facebook lead ad. Now it is asking for the page's name and the lead generation form's name. So our page's name is this, Packers and Movers. Okay, so in Pabbly Connect, when you click here on this page option field, you will see a list of all the pages that you have created in Facebook. So these are all the Facebook pages created by me. So, and I can select my page from this list, which is this one, Packers and Movers. So after selecting the page, you can see the lead generation form get automatically selected. Okay, as we have only one lead ad form here, which is this Packers and Movers form, you can see. So it is selected, no need to select this. And after that, when I click here on save and send test request, the data of the most recent lead generated will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me show you how it's going to happen. So I'll fill the form again. Okay, and we will see if the data of the person is captured here or not. So I'm opening the lead ad form again. Okay, now let's fill it with a different name. Let's say the name be
Shefali Yadav. Okay, and the number. Now let me click on next and submit. Okay, so you can see a new lead is generated here. Okay, your test lead has been sent. Now let's check and go to Pabbly Connect and click on save and send test request and see if the data is captured here or not. So you can see the data is captured here like this, Shefali Yadav number and all the details that we have filled. So our first two steps are completed. Now it is time for the next step, which is, so our next and the final step is send the brochure to lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. Okay, so now we are going to send the brochure of our business to the person whose data we have captured here in Pabbly Connect on his or her WhatsApp account. And to do this, we are going to use this application 360 dialog. So now I will tell you what 360 dialog is and how we are going to use it. So now in Pabbly Connect, click on the section window and from this choose app, choose your application as 360, this one, WhatsApp by 360 dialog. Okay, so now you guys are wondering why we are using this application to send messages on WhatsApp. So guys, to send messages on WhatsApp automatically, one must have the access of WhatsApp's chat API. So 360 dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's chat API. So by using this application, we can send messages on WhatsApp directly. Right, so here in this action event, you have to select send template message option. Then click on this connect button. Okay, now from this window, select this add new connection if you're making the connection for the first time. And then it will ask for this API key and the domain name. So to find these things, you have to go to a 360 dialog account and generate the API key for yourself. So let me show you the process. So this is my 360 dialog account, guys. You can also set up your own 360 dialog account, and to do that, I'll suggest you to use the link that we have pasted in the description so that you can avail the services of 360 dialog in very affordable prices. So here I am going to click on WhatsApp accounts page, and here you can see we have this button saying generate API key. So by clicking on this button, you can generate your own key. Then copy that key and paste it here in this API key field, right? And while generating the key, you will find a domain name which will look like this link. Okay, so generally the domain link is this only, so you can paste this same link, or you can copy the link that you get while generating the key and paste it here. After filling these two things, you just have to click on save and you will be connected with 360 dialog. Okay. So this is a one-time process. Once you generated an API key for yourself, you can use the same key to connect with Pabbly Connect afterwards, right? So once you made the connection by this process as I've shown you, after that you can choose existing connection option also, as I have already made a connection with 360 dialog and Pabbly Connect in a different workflow. So I am choosing existing connection option. Now I just have to click on save and you will see that I'll be connected with 360 dialog. As you can see, it started showing connected here, right? Now it is asking for the template's name. So what is this template? Let me first show you in my 360 dialog account. Here I am clicking on manage templates option. And these are the templates we have. Let me open one for you. So this one is our typical message template. So guys, message templates are nothing but the messages that we want to send on WhatsApp, right? So to prevent spamming in WhatsApp, first you have to create such templates here in 360 dialog. And to do this, you just have to click here on add template button. Here you have to give the name of the template, select the category of your template. Okay, then select the language in which you want to send the message. Then select the template's type. And here in this body field, you have to type the main message that you want to send. Okay. After filling these things, click on preview and submit and your template will be submitted. After submission of template, WhatsApp's parent company, that is Facebook, will review your template and approve your template. Okay. So the standard time of approval they say is 30 minutes to 48 hours, but in real time it take only 45 minutes to 1.5 hour to get a template approved. So once you got your template approved, like these templates I have, you can use them to send messages on WhatsApp. So in Pabbly Connect, it is asking which template I want to use. So when I click here, you will see a list. So this is the list of all the approved templates I have in 360 Dialog. And the template I am using is Send Brochure Final, this one. Okay, so I'm selecting the template. So after selecting the template, this namespace field and the language code get automatically filled up. And after this, you have to enter here recipient's mobile number or the WhatsApp number of the person whose data we have captured here. Okay. So to get this number here, you just have to click here on this field, then click on Facebook lead ads, then map this number from here only. Okay. After this, it will ask for these body fields 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are these fields? Let me show you in my message template here. So I am in my 360 Dialog account and here I am opening the template, which is this Send Brochure Final. And here you can see in this message template 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in double curly braces. So actually these are the body fields or the variables we have in our message template. Okay. As you can see, after hello, we are going to put the name of the lead that we got. Okay. So the name is going to change with every new message. Also, thank you for showing your interest in. So here we are going to put the name of the page or the business that can also change with every new message. And here in the third field, we are going to put the name of the services. So if we have more than one services, that can also change. So these are the things that needs to be changed with every new message. Okay. So to get these body fields filled automatically in a new message, you have to map or enter the values of these body fields here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So in this first body field, I'm going to map the name of the person. So click here on the field, then click on Facebook lead ads and map the name from here only, like this. Okay. So this is how you can map all other details also. For example, let's see in this fourth body field, we have to paste the link of the brochure that we are going to send. Okay. So I am having this brochure here in my Google Drive. So I'm going to click here on this share option. And you will see a get link option, and here you can see a copy link option. So I'm going to copy this link and paste this link of the PDF file or the brochure here in this fourth body field. So the things that you cannot map, you can enter manually also. Okay. So let me fill all other body. So I have filled all other body fields also. Now when I click here on save and send test request, this data will be delivered as a new message according to our template on this WhatsApp account, right? This is the WhatsApp account of the person Shefali Yadav. Now let me click here on save and send test request. And you can see it started showing this kind of response here. And we have received a new message also. Let's check what is in the message. And the message is this: hello Shefali Yadav, thank you for showing your interest in AJ Packers and Movers. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure. Okay. So you can see in place of these body fields here, the things are filled automatically, which we have. You can see Shefali Yadav, AJ Packers and Movers, transportation service. So these are the things that we have mapped here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So our connection with WhatsApp is working really fine. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger option, we selected Facebook lead ads. Then we connected the Facebook lead ad. After that, we collected the data of that lead here. Then in the section window, we connected 360 Dialog application. Okay. Then we selected the template and mapped and filled all the body fields and the things required to send the message. And when I click here on save and send test request, the message is delivered. Now you just have to click on save. Our automation is completed. Now let me tell you one more important thing, that you can make this workflow or automation run 100 times in a month with the help of Pabbly Connect's free account, because Pabbly Connect's free account provides you 100 free tasks for every new month. So if 100 tasks are sufficient for you, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using that instantly.
So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum, and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.